angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. I think you studied in class 7 this theorem. Okay. Proof not studied. Look at here. ABC. Okay. Here AB equal to AC. To prove angle B equal to angle C. This is the question. Okay. In triangle ABC. Look. The question is in triangle ABC. AB, draw another figure because AB not looks equal. Okay, wait. I'll draw another one. Almost equal. Okay, A, B, C. AB equal to AC. We have shown that angle B equal to angle C. Okay, draw figure. Okay, draw figure. Then write given in triangle ABC. Given in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. Angle AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. To prove angle B equal to angle C. To prove angle B equal to angle C. I think you learned this one last class 7 or something, right? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. What? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Which? Okay, this is the one. What's your name, Galaxy? Log in again, okay, with your name. Hello, Galaxy S9. Who's this one? Okay, why not changing the name? You should have your name. Look at here. Given is what? Okay. Listen. In triangle ABC. Listen. In triangle given is in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. To prove angle B equal to angle C. This is the question. That means angles. Listen. Theorem is what? Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Suppose in a triangle PQR, look, PQR. Suppose these are equal. This opposite, this one. This opposite, this one are equal. If it is these sides are equal, that means this opposite, this one. This opposite, this one. Clear now? That means angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. Clear now? Okay, now look. So now we are going to show there is a construction. Look, there is a construction through a line parallel here. Construction Draw AD, the bisector of angle A. I'll give the note, don't write anything. So now here 1 equal to 2. Listen. In triangle ABD and ACD, AB equal to AC given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 by construction. AD common. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Right? Hence, angle B equal to angle C. CPCT. Finish. Okay. Are you okay now? Is it okay or not? Okay. R equal to P. Where R? I didn't say R equal to P. That figure, this is the, come to the main figure. Okay, come to the main figure. Listen. Okay, right now, given given in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC. To prove angle B equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle C, to B equal to angle C. Okay, hello. This is possible only in one triangle. Okay, that means two angles are two sides are equal, opposite angles are equal. Suppose two triangles here. Look, one PQR, this one XYZ. These two are equal. No use. Okay, this is within one triangle. Clear or not? In one triangle, two sides are equal, opposite angles are equal. Right? Okay. So now, what you wrote now? Okay, proof. Okay, sorry, construction. Construction. Draw the bisector of angle A. 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 Let D be the point of intersection. Let D be the point of, let B, let D for Delhi. Let D be the point of intersection of this bisector and BC. This bisector and BC. Of this bisector and BC. Okay. Now, proof. Okay. Write the proof. In triangle. Come on. Draw the bisector. Already figure is there. Okay. AD the bisector. That's only. Draw the bisector of angle A. Finish. Now, proof. In triangle ABD. Look at the triangle. In triangle ABD and ACD. Okay. AB equal to AC given. AB equal to AC given. AB equal to AC given. Then angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 by construction. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 by construction. Then AD equal to AD common. AD equal to AD common. AD equal to AD common. Therefore, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. ABD congruent to ACD. SAS congruency. SAS congruency. Hence, angle B equal to angle C. Hence, angle B equal to angle C. Okay, clear now? That means which sides are equal, opposite angles also equal. This one is studied in class 7. angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, clear now? Is it okay? Yeah, proof not you didn't learn. Proof now only learn. Okay. So now look. Suppose another figure. Look at here. Here, x, y, z. These two are equal. Okay. Not this one. Okay, this one and this one equal. Okay. Can you say if x and z equal, which sides equal then? If angle x and angle z are equal, which sides equal? zy and xy, correct or no? Because x opposite this one, this opposite this one. This is the thing, correct? Are you okay now? Play the theorem. Listen, which side is equal? Listen, which side is equal? No, which side is equal? Opposite angle is equal. If here these two are equal, xz and xy equal means z and y equal, correct or no? Okay. Now there is a converse theorem is there. Write that one. There is one converse of this theorem, right? The sides opposite to, right? The sides opposite to equal angles of the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. The sides opposite to equal angles of a the sides opposite to equal angle of a triangle are equal. Okay. Look at here. What was the original theorem? Original theorem is AB equal to AC. We proved angle B equal to angle C. Correct or no? This is the original theorem. Correct? Hello. This is the original theorem. AB equal to AC, then proved angle B equal to angle C. Now, converse is going like this. Original coming here. Okay. Converse is what? Angle B equal to angle C. Prove that AB equal to AC. This is the one. Okay. Both understood or not? Listen. Original theorem. Look. Original theorem. AB equal to AC. Then angle B equal to angle C. Don't by heart it. BC opposite B. AB opposite angle C. Now converse is B equal to C. Then show AB equal to AC. Like that. Okay, like from Fahel to Mangaf, the theorem. Mangaf to Fahel, converse, like that. Okay, draw figure. Okay, draw figure. Then, right, given in triangle ABC, angle B equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle C. To prove AB equal to AC, to prove AB equal to AC, to prove AB equal to AC. Okay, look at here, like Chota construction here. Right, construction. Draw the bisector of angle A. Draw the bisector of angle A. Draw the bisector of angle A, which intersect BC at D. Draw the bisector of angle A, which intersect BC at D. Okay, now proof. We call one this one. 1, 2. Look at here. In triangle ABD and ACD, ABD and ACD, 1 equal to 2 by construction. AB, okay, angle B equal to angle C, given. This one equal to this one, given. AD equal to AD, common. Therefore, triangle ABD, congruent to triangle ACD. Triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Which congruency? Which congruency? AAS, correct or no? AAS, because angle, side. Okay, AAS congruency. Hence, AB equal to AC. Hence, AB equal to AC. Hence, AB equal to AC. Okay. Okay, now clear now? Not almost similar, it is both are different, man. Okay. The last part, Vidya. In triangle, listen, in triangle ABD and ACD, look at the triangle figure. ABD and ACD, 1 equal to 2, given. No, 1 equal to 2 by construction. B equal to C, given. AD is a common. That means 2 angle and 1 side. Then the triangles are congruent by AAS. Hence, AB equal to AC. Okay. Now, check both theorem, make sure it, then only I can give the question. Okay. Check both questions now. Okay. Then I'll give a question. Okay. You have to do it yourself. Okay. Check both questions. Okay. I'll give 5 minutes. Okay. Finish or not? Both questions. Okay. Which question? First question or second one? Answer. No, this one or previous one? This is the second one. Which one you are asking? Second one or first one? This one. Okay, look at here. Here given is what? In triangle ABC, angle B equal to angle C. Okay, angle B equal to angle C. To prove AB equal to AC. Original one, AB equal to AC to prove B equal to C. The converse one, angle B equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle C to show AB equal to AC. Okay. There is a construction. Draw AD the bisector of angle A. So that means angle 1 and 2 are equal. Then in triangle ADB and ADC, in triangle ADB and ADC, angle 1 equal to angle 2 by construction. B equal to C given. AD common. Therefore, these triangles are its triangle ADB and ADC are congruent by AAS. Hence, AB equal to AC, CBCD. Now, clear or not? Okay. Check all. If you have doubt, tell me. Okay, we'll discuss it. So, the based on we have to do one question. That's why. Okay. Okay. So you can try now. Shall I give one question? Are you ready now? Ready or not? Based on this question, these two theorems. Okay, then only you can do it. If you are okay, then I'll give you. Okay, write the question. You have to try yourself. Okay, this star question. In figure, PQRS is a square. PQRS is a square. Okay. SRT is an equilateral triangle. 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 Okay. Then prove that PT equal to QT. Prove that PT equal to QT. Okay. And second one, angle TQR. Angle TQR. Angle TQR 15 degree. Angle TQR 15 degree. TQR equal to 15 degree. Okay. Question here. Look at here now. Okay. Look. P Q R S is a square. T here. Okay. This is the figure. PQRS is a square. TSR is an equilateral triangle. TQR equal to 15 degree. 15, 1, 5. 15 degree, 1, 5. Okay. You try now. Okay. This figure is here. PQRS is a square. TSR is an equilateral triangle. Prove that PT equal to QT. Okay. Then, okay, you try now. Okay, you tried? Let us see anyone get or not. Okay. Question is already there, FM. Okay, your net is always issue. P P Q R S is a PQRS is a square. PQRS is a square. Okay. SRT is an equilateral triangle. SRT is an equilateral triangle. SRT is an equilateral triangle. Okay. Then show that PT equal to TQ. Prove that PT equal to TQ. Okay. Okay. Then angle TQR equal to 15 degree. TQR equal to 15 degree. This Taufik, can you change to other batch? Is it less students only? You'll get more concentration and all. And Madhav also. Ruben, Ashrak already there. Okay. Okay. You try. If not getting, I'll show. You got the question. Understood now? PQRS is a square. TSR is an equilateral triangle. Show that. Nice. First we finish first question. Okay. TP equal to TQ. TP equal to TQ. Finished first then you are sure TQR equal to 15 degree. Don't try all together. Okay. We cannot directly find out first one, second one. If you know first one, only you can do second one.
Okay, you got it? Others, send me that. Others. Who all got? Send me. I'll check it. Others, send me. Okay, in WhatsApp. Okay, so, others, send me. Then all I can check now. Hello, this will take time. Okay. Okay. Others, why not sending? Anybody got except others? Hello. Okay. So you're not getting. Anybody got? You got? Who all got? Send me. Then I can check and tell you is it correct or not. Which congruency used? If you just say I got it, how I can say this one? This is correct. Okay, you're right. J, it's correct. Look at here now.
Hello, look. This angle 90. Why? Angle PSR 90. What is the reason? Each angle of a square, right? Each angle of a square, right or not? PSR equal to 90 degree each angle of a square. Then angle TSR equal to 60 each angle of a equilateral. Therefore, angle PST equal to 150. This angle 150. Similarly, angle QRT 150. This all okay or not? Okay, check this one. Okay, check this all. Angle first one, angle PSR, How come different number? I don't want the answer to you because you didn't send me the answer. Okay, then how can I check it? Okay. Do this one without name and all. Okay, look at here now. Okay, listen, right now. Hello, right. PS angle PSR, right? Angle PSR, right? Angle PSR equal to 90 degree.
angle PSR equal to 90 degree. Each angle of a rectangle, each angle of a square, each angle of a square, each angle of a square. Okay, angle TSR equal to 60 degree. Angle TSR equal to 60 degree. TSR equal to 60 degree. Each angle of an equilateral triangle. Each angle of equilateral triangle. Each angle of equilateral triangle. Therefore, angle PST. Therefore, angle PST 150 degree. PST 150 degree. Similarly, once we similarly not write full, just write RLY. This is one short form. Clear now? 3 line, parallel line, then RLY. Similarly, angle QRT 150 degree. QRT 150 degree. QRT 150 degree. Okay. That these two part okay or not? Check now. This is it okay? These two parts okay or not? Tell me first. How we got 150 PSR, PST and QRT. Okay. Now look at here. Don't write now. In triangle PST, look at the triangle. In triangle PST and QRT, PS equal to QR. PS equal to QR. Reason what? PS equal to QR. Reason each sides of square. Right or no? Sides of a square. Then PST equal to PST equal to QRT 150 degree. PST equal to QRT 150 degree proved. Then ST equal to RT, each sides of a equal triangle. Therefore, and triangle PST congruent to triangle QRT. PST side angle side angle. Therefore, triangle PST congruent to triangle QRT. PST congruent to triangle QRT. SAS congruency. SAS congruency. Clear now? Hence, PT equal to QT. Hence, PT equal to QT, CPCT. PT equal to QT, CPCT. PT equal to QT. Okay. Which part did you understand? Tell me, Saad and Naishi. Which part? Which line you didn't understand? Tell me. Because we gave many lines, no? No. Which line I had to explain? Because we discussed 150 case. We discussed that you understood how 150 after 150. Okay. 150 okay. Till 150 you got it right. Okay. Then take the listen in triangle PST. P. Look at the triangle. Look at your figure. Correct figure. PST and QRT. PST and QRT. PS equal to QR. Why? Tell me, why PS equal to QR? What is the reason? Square. Sides of a square. Sides of a square. Then PST, angle PST equal to angle QRT. 150 degree. Angle PST equal to angle QRT 150 degree. We proved. Okay. ST equal to RT. What is the reason? ST equal to RT. What is the reason? ST equal to RT. Tell me what is the reason? Triangle. Sides of equilateral triangles. Sides of equilateral triangle. Okay, not sides of triangle. Sides of no opposite sides. Sides of equilateral triangle. That's enough. Okay. Therefore, triangle PST. Therefore, triangle PST congruent to triangle QRT. PST congruent to QRT. SAS congruency. Hence, TP equal to TQ. First part is finished. TP equal to TQ. The first part is over. Okay. Check now. Everyone check the first part. Okay. Okay, finish or not? What are you asking? Second triangle, what? Mansvi, what is your question? Second triangle, what? I didn't understand. Your question is what? What is the second triangle? We proved the first part. Only check that part. TPQ. TPQ, we didn't care about TPQ. I said what? PST and QRT congruent. Right? Therefore, TP equal to TQ. That's all I said. Okay. Second part, I'll show you. Okay. Okay. First of all, make sure first part, then on second part now. Make sure the first part, then I'll do the second part. Check all. Okay. Okay, finish or not? First part clear or not? Don't ask me again, doubt in first part. Okay, now look at here. Okay. You know, QR equal to RS. Number one. You know the sides of a square. QR equal to RS. QR equal to RT. Number two. Sides of equilateral triangle. Therefore, QR equal to RS.
and RS equal to, okay, RS equal to RT. So that means QR equal to RT. Agree or not? These two are equal. This part okay? Look. Okay, listen. We got QR equal to RS. QR equal to RS. QR equal to RS. What is the reason? Affirm. What is the reason? Hello, tell me that. Sides of square. Okay. RS equal to RT. RS equal to RT. What is the reason? RS equal to RT. Sides of square. Sides of what? RS equal to RT. Sides of what? Sides of equilateral triangle. Therefore, QR equal to RT. Correct or no? Therefore, QR equal to RT. That QR and RT equal. Okay. Now look at here. You wrote no this one, right? QR equal to right now. QR equal to RS. Number one. Sides of square. Then RS equal to RT. RS equal to RT. Okay. QR equal to RS. Number one, sides of a square. RS equal to RT. Number two, sides of equilateral triangle. From 1 and 2, we got QR equal to RT. QR equal to RT. Okay. Now my question. In triangle QRT, which angle is against QR? Which angle is opposite to QR? Which angle is opposite to QR? Yes? Come on. Who's who telling this such a stupid things and all? S is where? Which my question is which angle, not side, which angle is opposite of QR? Opposite means what? Not we cannot say T alone. It is T can be three angles there is. Bigger one, three shorter one also there is. Which angle? Exactly. Vidya. Hey, Vidya, wait, Vidya. Anyone sitting opposite to you? Opposite, what the meaning? Opposite, what the meaning? Here, PQR. Which is the opposite of QR? Vidya, tell me. Which is the opposite of QR? Which angle is opposite of QR? Hello, Vidya. Which angle is opposite of angle P? Okay. Now, listen here. My question is in triangle QRT, right? In triangle QRT. In QRT, P is a part or not? There. In QRT, P is there? P is there? Yes or no? In QRT, P is not a part of, then how you can say P, angle P? Okay.
This is within your flat. How can say other neighbor flat story and all? This is within the triangle QRT. P is outside somewhere. Okay, my question is now, which angle is opposite of QR? Which angle is opposite of QR? What is that? Opposite of QR is what? Angle? We cannot say angle T. RTQ. Correct or no? This angle RTQ. This one. We cannot say T. T can be this one or this one or this one, all full. So RTQ. Okay. Which angle of TR? Which angle is opposite of TR? Which angle is opposite of TR? Which angle is opposite to TR? RQT. Correct or no? RQT. This angle. These two. Okay. This is within the triangle. Okay. Now we write. We proved. Listen. Anyone have doubt? Tell me now. Don't say last. I didn't understand this one. No. Tell me now if you have doubt. Okay. Then write. We got QR equal to RT. Right. We got QR equal to RT. Then write. Therefore angle RTQ. Right. Therefore angle RTQ equal to angle RQT. In bracket, right? Angle opposite equal sides are equal. Just now today we did the theorem. Angle opposite to angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. We proved the theorem. Okay, today. Okay, then write. Let angle RTQ. You take X. Okay, let angle RTQ equal to angle RQT equal to X. You mark it. Let angle RTQ equal to angle RQT equal to X. Both angles same. Okay. Now, X plus 150. Correct or no? Angle TRQ 150 equal to 180. So 2x equal to 30. X equal to what? 50. Okay. Here now. Here you write angle sum property of a triangle. Okay. Okay. Now, everyone check this question. It's a very important question. Check now. Okay. Second part. Okay. Okay, now finish now. Okay, right. I hope this question is okay now. Now, take your reader. Look at here. We finish only one question and two Chota theorems. 1 hour finish. Check the time. 3. Correct or no? Right. This question itself took 50 minutes. Okay, now take the reader. Okay, reader 7.2 first question. 7.2 first question. 7.2 first question. Okay. Seven point 7.2. Okay, 7.2 first question. Try now. Okay, you have a question, right? You can see the reader. Okay. You have to write the question, right? Given what you have to prove, figure and everything. If not getting, I'll tell you. Okay. Okay, try now. I gave you the theorem now. What a question you're asking me. Two sides are equal, then isosceles triangle only? No. It will work on isosceles triangle only. Where? You try 7 point. I told you no. 7. Which exercise I told you to work out it? 7.2 first question. 7.2 first question. Figure you have to draw, man. Pranav. You have to draw. Okay. Because it's not given. You have to draw. You try. Okay, everybody got? Getting or not? Hello, you getting? This you will get easily, not like previous question. Okay. Okay, look, it's not getting or not. You can hear now. If not getting, listen.
In an isosceles triangle, listen here. A, B, C. Okay. The bisectors of B and C intersect at O. Okay. Join A to O. Okay. The first part, OB equal to OC. We have shown OB equal to OC. This is the figure. First part, we have to show OB equal to OC. Okay. Then Pranav, that is the figure for second question. Can you read the question clearly? 7.30. No common sense you are reading. Then before typing, just check it whether correct or not. Don't waste the time. Look here now. Hello, I'll give the note. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, and BO and CO are the bisectors of angle ABC and ACB. Right? Okay. What do you have to prove? OB equal to OC. First part. Second part, OA is the bisector of angle BAC. Okay. Question clear or not? Okay, now listen here. Look, first of all, AB equal to AC, which angle equal? AB equal to AC, which angle equal? AB equal to AC, which angle? Angle, don't say B, angle ABC equal to angle ACB, right? Angle ABC, don't say B because B can be this one or this one or full, three angle involved. So angle ABC and ACB, right? Angle ABC equal to angle ACB. Reason what? Angle opposite equal sides are equal. Angles opposite equal sides are equal. Okay. We are assuming these angles are X. Let angle ABC equal to angle ACB equal to X. Okay. Okay, we don't want X. Okay, then okay, keep it there. Okay, X. ABC equal to ACB. Then half ABC equal to half ACB. Correct or not? Half ABC equal to half ACB because 10 equal to 10, half also equal. We call this one 1 and 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Reason what? OB the bisector of angle ABC, OC the bisector of angle ACB. So we got 1 equal to 2. Okay. Now look at the figure. In triangle BOC, which side is opposite of 1? In triangle OBC, in triangle OBC, which side is opposite of 1? OC. Opposite of 2 what? Opposite of 2 OB. So finish. First part is finished. Clear now? Not angle but side, Sath.
I'm asking about the side, not angle. How come angle OB? Angle should be three vertices. Which side is opposite of angle 1? That is OC. OC means side. Which side is opposite of angle 2? That is OB. So finish. First part is finished. Okay, right now, first part. Okay, I'll give the note. Okay, right. Right. Proof. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Given. AB equal to AC given. Then, therefore, angle ABC equal to angle ACB. Angle ABC equal to angle ACB. Angle ABC equal to angle ACB. Okay. Bracket, right? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. 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 Then, right. Half angle ABC equal to half angle ACB. Half angle ABC equal to angle half ACB. Half angle ABC equal to half ACB. Okay, you mark it 1 and 2. That is angle 1 equal to angle 2. That is angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. In bracket, right? OB and OC are the bisectors of OB and OC are the bisectors of angle ABC and ACB. ABC and ACB. ABC and ACB. Okay. After that, in triangle OBC, angle 1 equal to angle 2, proved. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, proved. Therefore, OB equal to OC. Why? Therefore, OB equal to OC. Reason what? Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Therefore, OB equal to OC. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay. Now, first part is finished. Try second part. Anybody got second part? Okay. First part you got, then second part easily you will get. Try now second part. Okay. So now try the second part. You are shown that OA is the bisector of angle BAC. Okay. It is connected to, okay. It is connected to the first question. Okay. I'll wait. No problem. Okay. Okay, finish. Okay. Okay, look at here. It's very simple. Look, in triangle AOB, AOB and AOC, this equal to this one given, and this one equal to this one proved. Just now proved. This is common. Therefore, triangle AOB congruent to triangle AOC. Which one? SSS congruency. Correct or no? AOB and AOC, SSS congruency. Hence, angle 3 equal to angle 4, CPCT. So OA is the bisector. Finish right now. Okay, right? In triangle AOB and AOC. In triangle AOB and AOC. In triangle AOB and AOC, AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC given. AB equal to AC given. Then OB equal to OC proved. OB equal to OC proved. OA equal to OA common. OA equal to OA common. Therefore, triangle ABO, ABO congruent to triangle ACO, ABO congruent to triangle ACO, SSS congruency, SSS congruency. Hence, angle 3 equal to angle 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. CPCT. CPCT. Okay. That means OA is the bisector. Finish. Okay. Check now. Check both questions. First part and second part check and tell me. Okay, finish. So just to finish, okay, you can try second question. Okay, try second question now. Okay, you can try second question. Okay, now try second question first. Okay, getting or not? Okay, okay, I'll wait, Nadir, okay? Okay. You got it now? Okay, look at here now. Hello. The second question, if you have doubt, listen here.
Look, in triangle ABC, AD the perpendicular bisector of BC. In triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. That means this equal to this one, angle 1 equal to angle to 90. AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB equal to AC. What do you show? AB equal to show that AB is an isosceles triangle. Okay, look at here. Given is in triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC and angle 1 equal to angle 2, BD equal to AC. Hello, listen here. Given BD equal to DC, angle 1 equal to angle 2 equal to 90 degree. These are given. Okay. So what do you show? Perpendicular AD the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, and also 3 equal to 4. 3 equal to 4. AD the perpendicular bisector. So no, not given that. Okay, enough this one. Look at here. In triangle ADB and ADC, BD equal to DC, given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, 90 degree. AD common. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by SAS congruency. Correct or not? SAS congruency. Look, first of all, you have to write clear. In triangle ABC, BD equal to DC, and angle 1 equal to angle 2, 90 degree. To prove AB equal to AC. So what we'll write? You take that in triangle ADB and ADC, AD equal to AD common. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, 90 degree, given. BD equal to DC, given. Therefore, triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC. SAS, not say just SAS congruency. Hence, AB equal to AC. Right first. Hence, AB equal to AC. Okay. Finish it first. Okay, finish now. Oh, again. Okay, Vidya, listen. Look at here, Vidya. In triangle, look at here. In triangle ADB. First of all, you have to specify what is given here. BD equal to DC, right? BD equal to DC given. Then angle 1 equal to angle 2, 90 degree given. Agree or not? Vidya, okay? BD equal to DC given. And 1 equal to 2, 90 degree. So, simple now. Take the triangle ADB and ADC. ADB and ADC. AD equal to AD common. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, 90 degree. Given. BD equal to BD, sorry, BD equal to DC, given. Therefore, side, angle, side, side, angle, side. Don't try to by heart it, try to understand it. Therefore, AB equal to AC. Okay. Okay. Then try next question. One more question only. Try next question.
Okay, now try next one. No, there is no AAA congruency. That is angle only equal. No, if it is all angles are equal, it is congruent. We cannot say it's an equilateral triangle only. It's an equilateral triangle. Okay, all angles are equal. Okay. Okay, try next one. Okay, which one are you doing now? Third one, right? Madhav, you got? Send me then. Send me your work. I don't believe you just saying AAS and all. Okay. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitude BE and CF are drawn to the equal sides AC and AB. Show that these altitudes are equal. Okay. Drawn to equal side. Drawn. Okay. You ask. Drawn means what? Draw. Okay. This is English class.
Look at here. Here, ABC BE altitude. This is also another altitude, F. Okay, show that altitudes are equal. So we have shown that BE equal to CF. BE equal to CF, we have to show. Okay, very simple. Look at here now. In triangle BFC, BFC and CEB. Okay, but BFC and CEB, this angle equal. Why? AB equal to AC, angle opposite equal sides are equal. F equal to E, 90 degree. BC common. Therefore, these two angle and one side. So AAS congruency. AAS congruency. Okay. Once again, listen. In triangle BFC and CEB, BFC and CEB, angle F equal to angle E, 90 degree given. Correct or not? Neither. Where is saying bisector? Hello? Hello? Answer me. Where saying bisector? Are you for your special question? No, listen. I was explaining here, right?
I was explaining here that time you are not listening, you are typing stupid things and all. Okay, listen here. Don't make new data and all. Here only given is what? BE and CF are altitude. That's only. And he's making story. This is the bisector and all. Okay. So what you will do now? In triangle BFC, in triangle BFC and CEB, F equal to E, 90 degree given. B equal to C. Reason what? AB equal to AC. Angle opposite equal sides are equal. BC common. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by AAS. Hence, BE equal to CF, CPCT. Okay. Clear or not? Write fast. Madhav, what you wrote? Our requirement is BE equal to CF. You wrote already here BE equal to CF. There's nothing to find now. At least use common sense, man. Look, you wrote second line BE equal to CF. Actually, what you have to prove? That all you have to prove. You directly write. So, right? You correctly cross that one. Okay. Clear now? In triangle, you write like this. In triangle BFC. In triangle BFC and CEB. F equal to E given. B equal to C. In bracket, right? AB equal to AC. Enough. BC equal to BC common. Therefore, these triangles are similar, congruent by AAS. Hence, BE equal to CF only you have to find out. Okay, this enough. Listen, this week test from the lines and angle only. Okay, not this chapter.